I'm super excited. I got the package with some of the fabrics that I've designed. I've had them up on Spoonflower, but I haven't really ordered that many of them, and so I'm gonna get to see some of them for like the first time and get to feel them. I haven't tried all the different like fabrics, but anyway, I'm gonna open that up and see, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm making a tote, and I'm using like sort of collaged fabric down and doing the whole slow stitching thing, and on top of a blanket, if that makes sense. I think I'll show you later. But anyway, so when I was doing this and I was like figuring out what I'm doing, I was like, oh right, I can use my own fabric designs. So then I quickly looked over at Spoonflower and decided to order up some fabric, and then it came, and this is me like whatever you call it, unboxing it or whatever, and it's so exciting. The whole play between digital to the physical, there's so much there. Like this design with the head was made as a rubber stamp, and then I brought it into something and turned it into this repeat design. And then it's a whole other thing to actually get it printed out onto fabric and be able to touch and hold it and start to see them next to each other, how they might work together, do they work together, what it feels like. This is me very much getting ready for the next season. Spring's coming, and I like to work with the seasons and have something I'm sort of focusing on during the season, and it's very much looking like it's going to be about pattern design, surface design, and capsule wardrobe, sort of accessories, fashion sort of stuff I can use and wear and play around with, and it can come together like in a whole project way. So that would be really super fun too, as that happens, and get to see that happen. See my designs come into being in fabric that I'm using and go into other things that I'm making, and all while I'm learning stuff, learning different things I like and how I want to put it together. This is not very white. Look at that. Look at the difference between that and that. Maybe I think, oh, that's right. I think I did this as a print, and then maybe I brought it into I don't even know if Procreate was around then. Maybe. And I love how this looks. And they're all like a little mini bolt. Oh, I am wanting to look though. Right. I've been working on my tote. And it's coming along. It's coming along. My tote is coming along. So exciting. It's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be like this tote. But, oh, I lost my scissors. Where did my scissors go? Maybe they're in my bag. They're supposed to be in there. Yep, they were in my bag. And Alex was just talking about scissors being out and about and being dangerous. But yeah, I was thinking to line the tote with one of these fabrics, or a patch of these fabrics. So at some point, maybe I'll be with these stripes on the inside. snagged. Yeah. Can you see it, kind of? I almost can see it. Ouch, there's pins. Okay, yeah, I think that one for now. So we'll leave that out and keep rolling. Well, here's the scarf I made the other day. I have ideas about these scarves. And I think they're going to be a great way to practice stitching. They're super fast to sew it up. Once I got back to it and wasn't like doing 5 other things in the middle. And then you get the satisfaction of getting to wear it right away if you want to. That's how I'm thinking of it. Because I love that. I love doing a project and then getting to wear it, use it, all in that same project making time. That's so fun. Come on! Look how freaking cute that is! OMG! I have my little fabric store stash thing. So fun! I just go shopping in my fabric store. Yes. Isn't that so tidy? It's so not tidy. I mean, I like to be tidy. You know, I like things to be in their way, but I don't know. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad that I just like impulsively was like, I'm gonna get fabric. And now it's come and I'm starting to see how I can work with it in new ways. It's so super satisfying. And so thrilling because for me, like I'm gonna get to see the fabric that I designed in something that I'm designing, like this tote. Like I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna turn out yet. I'm gonna call it the Everyday Tote. But yeah, see how it'll come into there and like sort of work with it all as I'm going along. Yes! Super satisfying. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all this fun colors. Oh my goodness, I love it.